Good morning, everyone. Today is February 11th, 2015, and welcome to our live Forex scalping session for today. Now, of course, before we get into our trades, please read and note the disclaimer that you're seeing on your screen. It's Tuesday, guys. Again, I will be narrating the trades for one of our students who started his live account as of yesterday, the live $10,000 account. So all of the entries that you're seeing on your screen today were entered by him. Again, I'm just going to narrate the trades for you. We are HyperFX Academy, and we educate people on how to trade the Forex market successfully and with very minimal risk. Of course, we're full-time traders with over 15 years of experience. Coming back to your screen, you'll see the first trade that our student took for the day. This was right before 8 a.m. this morning, was the pound yen trade, and this trade was closed at the profit target of about $50. So all of our trades that were taken today by our students, of course, is a part of our HyperFX strategy. And what you're seeing on your screen is the Hyper Scalping strategy that identifies key breaks in the market and very high probability turning points. So I also trade this setup a lot, and of course our student is also following the similar setup. So we took a total of 5 trades for today, and actually all 5 trades were very profitable, and our day really ended around 11:30 this morning. So as I was saying, as of yesterday, we are trading from our students live starter 10K account. This is just to give you an insight of what a new trader experiences with the HyperFX system. So just to recap, he took another 2.5% today. That's a 2-day total of over 5% in profits. Now that really equates to just over $500 in profits, trading 2 hours a day for just yesterday and today for 2 days. So these results are typical for us, but I never forget how good it feels actually putting your trading plan into action and seeing that excitement and possibility in one of our students' eyes who's taken our course. Coming back to the trade, this was his second trade for the day, guys. It was the euro-dollar trade, and this particular trade, I believe he closed the trade in profits of about $60. So as I was saying, the student was a first-time Forex trader who knew very little about the market and had no prior trading experience before taking our course. Now after taking the course, he was able to double his demo account within the first 45 days and is now obviously transitioning into his live account and getting great results, which we're all very excited about. And like I was saying, nothing is more rewarding than seeing success in other individuals, knowing that you had a little bit maybe to do with that. So that's always exciting for us, and this is why I'm so pumped up and so excited to share the HyperFX system, because as I had said to you before in my prior videos, I was also never a trader, knew very little about the Forex market, and when I was introduced to this great system, I was able to pick it up very fast and double my own demo account, and obviously you've seen my results on one of our $100,000 accounts in my other videos. Coming back to the trade, guys, this was his third trade for the day, which was the Aussie dollar, and this trade was closed in profits of about $40. It was a deeper trade, and I believe he just wanted to be out of it, but of course it was still a profitable trade, and we took $40 in this. So, I may be trading a larger account, but this student is trading a smaller account. But I want you to know that the amount of effort that is required and the amount of work that you have to put in it is exactly the same. It is, it's like you show up for 2 hours, a couple hours a day, and you can get the same kind of results on a $10,000 account and the same kind of results on a $100,000 account or even $1 million account. So the effort that you put into it is relatively all the same. We have a lot of stories like this from some of our other students who are working a typical traditional job, and they were able to, trade successfully after taking the course, and set themselves financially free. So coming back to the trade, guys, as you can see, just closing out his third trade. This is the fourth trade that he took for the day, which was the pound dollar trade. And this was a very quick trade for him. He closed this trade in profit of about $70. Talking about, so why do we trade the Forex market and why am I so excited about trading? Largest market in the world, Forex. Over $4 trillion that are traded daily. It's 24/7, 5 days a week. So you can pick the time that you have based on your schedule and dedicate to that. As you know, we only trade about a couple hours a day. So my trading session begins in the morning about 7:38 to 11 a.m. So let me give you a little bit more information about HyperFX, the system and the strategy. The reason why I'm so excited about trading is because of this system. It takes the think work out. It reduces all of the noise of the market and really allows me and allows our students to get into the right trades at the right time. There is no emotional stuff or drama that is occurring when we're trading. We look at a chart, we know when to get in, we know when to get out, and we can trade with confidence rather than with our emotions, and then perhaps even panic and do something that we're not supposed to. Coming back to the screen, guys, quickly, this was his last trade for the day. This was a euro dollar trade. It was a $30 profit trade that was closed with. So the HyperFX system really focuses on high probability turning points in the market. So the system identifies these levels with great accuracy and really allows you to get into the trade at the best possible price. So basically what this means is that the risk to reward ratio is very favorable, and that's why the trades that that we do take perform so well. So I'm going to touch on a little bit about our workshop, which is coming up in March. Those of you who are interested, please get in touch with us. Our contact information is on our YouTube channel. Please subscribe as well. And we also have a Facebook. Please like us, HyperFX. And coming back to the trade, again, this is going to be closed shortly. And we're going to zoom in to our closing balance, which you'll see on the left bottom hand side of your screen. Our closing balance, he closed his day with $10,538. This is a 2-day total, guys. So $538 in 2 days, working a couple hours. I think it's pretty good. Sounds good to our student, that's for sure. He's really excited. This is it for me, guys. I will be back tomorrow with live trades again for tomorrow. Any questions, comments, please get in touch with us. Thank you. Happy trading, guys.